Hello, my super cordials. Welcome back to our Scratch series. So, in the last video, we gave the superpowers to your sprite, which are the control blocks. And today, we are going to give your sprite eyes, ears, and a smart brain. Yes, today's topic is sensing block. So, have you ever wondered how your game knows when you click something to do what, when two character touches, or when you press the key, how they detect these things? So, all these things are detected by the senses of your sprite, and these senses are due to these sensing blocks. Sensing blocks help your sprite feel and understand the world around it. They can detect touch, mouse position, keyboard inputs, distance, and much more. They can detect the sound as well, like I'm speaking, so they can detect my volume, my loudness. They can detect if someone is speaking. For example, the cat is at some distance to this apple. So my sprite knows the distance between the apple and the third character. So let's start understanding these sensing blocks. The first is touching mouse pointer, and we have two options here. Like many options here, as many as sprite or as many as characters we have on our stage. So our sprite knows sensing to each and every character. If I says apple, touching apple, if my like I am on the cat, so this particular code is all related to the cat. So if the cat touches the apple, it should say, let's start with the green flag and control F F. Okay, and I will also add few steps here. 200 steps here. F, it touches the apple, it will say, I got the apple. I got the apple. For 2 seconds. So let's click on the green flag. I got the apple. So it's very fast. Instead of moving steps, I'll use to glide. And I will remove this, move 200 steps. Okay, and now you will see the difference. I got the apple. So it senses the touch. When the cat touches the apple, it senses and it performs the action. So this is our sensing. Next is the color sense. Suppose I want my cat to touch this character Giga. So what I will do, I will place this condition here in the F. Okay, and this is a sorry. Now I'll go to color and I'll go to this edit one. Now I can grab the color of Giga's hair. Exact this color will come here. And what if it touches this color? It will ask for its name, or it will say hello. Okay. So let's click on the green flag. Hello. So next is our color touching another color. Okay. Same with the case. The first case we saw, when my sprite touches any other sprite, it senses that thing. But if we put the senses on the color, instead of this one, I'll put this. I can grab the colors easily from here. This orange color, right? And the second color of apple. Okay. It will say hello, or it will say something else. I'm a cat. Okay, so when I click on the green to say I'm a cat, it senses that when it touches this, it will say I'm a cat, right? So you can see how fun and how easy they are. Next is ask what's your name. So instead of say, it can ask what is your name. It appears like question. So when I click on the green, what is your name? Okay, so let it answer Giga. Giga is her name. So now what happens to the answer? Next is our answer one. And the answer will be stored in this answer variable, and the person can simply say answer like this. Okay, we can also put wait condition here. Wait for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it say the answer. One, two, three, four, five. Two. Right? So next is our key pressed. If any key pressed, then what happened? We can write it accordingly. So let's put the forever block here, and the motion block, move 10 steps and wait 1 second after each step. Okay, and meanwhile we put if I press the space button, it should jump. It should jump. Jump means like it should move here. So what will be the Y position here? We can set Y to 103 and go back to this position, which is Y minus 102. In between these two positions, I can put a wait condition of 0.2 seconds. So let's try this. It goes up, yeah, it goes up, it goes up, it goes up and down. We can increase the seconds. Let's try again. It's moving. Goes up. So this is the key pressed one. Same with the mouse one. Mouse down. It detected if the mouse is clicked or not, or it will say clicked. Clicked. Don't need this. Yeah, clicked. The moment I clicked, it says clicked. So this is about the mouse down. Next is mouse X. It simply says what is the position of mouse at that time. This is the position of mouse at that mouse X. And same with the mouse Y. This. And loudness. So the loudness, it detects the loudness of what I'm saying. Suppose I increase my volume a bit, I can put this in the forever block. That will be more easy to. Hi, my name is Ritu and I'm always here to help you with the scratch coding. So you can see that it detects the loudness of our voice. Same with the timer. If I want to put the timer here, the timer will start as soon as I click on this one. And same with if I put the reset timer, it will reset it. Whenever I click the green flag, it will reset every time. So next is backdrop. It will say the backdrop or the stage numbers or the names, whatever The options are available here: backdrop name, stage, apple, position of X position of apple, Y position of apple. It will say all these things. If I change this position, it always tells the X position of apple. Same with the giga. If I want its costume number, it will say its costume number. Costume number 1. If I change its costume, so I change costume number 3 and go to code. Now it will say 3. Similar with the current year, if you want to check the current year, you can put it here like this. It will tell you the current year. Same with if you want to check the days since 2000, how many days have been passed. It will tell you that this much days have been passed. And the username, you want to check your username. My username has not been set currently, so it doesn't say anything. If your username is there, so it will say your username. So this is all about the sensing blocks. I hope you will get to know about what is the sensing blocks. This is so cool, and today you are very amazing. Now your sprite can see and feel the world. So see you in the next video. Like, comment your game ideas, subscribe for more fun coding. See you next time. Bye little goddess.